Is your garden bed struggling no matter what you plant? Hard soil, weak growth, if any? What if you could transform dead, compacted dirt into rich, living soil using a simple method that keeps improving your garden for years? Better yet, what if you could do it for only $20? Today, I'll show you exactly how. I'm Xavier. Welcome to the wild. When we moved here, we decided to plant some flowers in our new garden, but nothing grew. No matter how much we watered, all we got were weeds. I've spent years making my own custom terrarium soil for my builds, and I had some thoughts. Maybe our soil outside was missing something. Maybe it's not bioactive. A little research and I came up with a plan. The best part, a single purchase of $20 was all I needed. The secret starts with charcoal, or more accurately, biochar. Biochar acts like a long-term home for beneficial microbes. Its porous structure holds nutrients, moisture, and billions of tiny organisms that help plants thrive. First, break your charcoal into small chunks. You don't need it to be powder, just enough surface area for microbes to attach and multiply. Next, place the charcoal into a 5-gallon bucket and add non-chlorinated water or rainwater if available. Try to avoid chlorinated water as chlorine can harm beneficial microbes. Now, add fully or partially decomposed compost. If you keep a green bin, you can use this too. This is where the microbial life comes from. Mix everything, then loosely cover the bucket and let it sit for at least 1 week. During that time, the microbes will colonize the charcoal, creating a powerful, living soil amendment. Now, while your mixture develops, you can prepare your garden bed. First, you'll need to loosen the compacted soil with a shovel or garden fork. Healthy roots and soil-dwelling organisms need airflow and space to grow. Next, add compost for organic matter and nutrients. You can also mix in bone meal for slow-release phosphorus and calcium to support strong root development. Blend everything evenly into the soil. After a week, your biochar mixture is ready. Stir it well and spread it evenly across the garden bed. This creates a long-lasting microbial reservoir in your soil, helping to break down organic matter, improve nutrient availability, retain moisture, and support healthier plants season after season. Instead of fighting dead soil every year, you're building a living ecosystem that keeps improving over time. And that's how you can turn lifeless soil into rich, thriving garden soil naturally. A $20 purchase of charcoal, a little hard work, and you're looking at a green thumb. Make sure to subscribe for more simple tips, and remember, keep learning, keep growing, and find your X factor. I'll see you next time.